If you're getting a GOG error login issue, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a common issue with GOG Galaxy, and it can happen because of permission problems, antivirus blocking the app, or corrupted local files. The good news is that you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure GOG Galaxy is fully closed. Don't just minimize it, actually exit the app completely so nothing is still running in the background. Once it's closed, find the GOG Galaxy shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu. Right-click it and then choose Run as administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to sign in properly and connect to the service without running into login errors. If the login works after this, then the issue was most likely caused by permissions. If not, the next thing to check is your antivirus and firewall. Sometimes security software can block GOG Galaxy from connecting to the internet, which can cause login failures. You'll want to open your antivirus settings and your Windows firewall settings, then add both GalaxyClient.exe and GalaxyClientService.exe to the exception or allowed list. These are the main GOG Galaxy files that need access so the launcher can communicate properly. After adding them, save your changes and try opening GOG Galaxy again. If you still can't log in, the problem may be caused by corrupted LocalAppData. To fix that, press the Windows key and type %LocalAppData send GOG.com Galaxy, then open that folder and delete it. After that, go back to the search bar and type %ProgramData send GOG.com Galaxy, open that folder too, and delete it as well. This clears out old cached files and settings that may be causing the login error. Don't worry, this usually does not remove your account itself, but it does reset LocalAppData so GOG Galaxy can rebuild fresh files when it starts again. Once both folders are deleted, restart your computer if possible, then launch GOG Galaxy again and sign in. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem right away. So to recap, run the app as administrator, allow GOG Galaxy through your antivirus and firewall, and clear the local app data folders if needed. If this guide helped you fix the GOG login error, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.